Okay, I want to do a comparison right now between an MH20GT, an Olight M2R Warrior, and the Rofis MR50. Three very different style flashlights. The MH20GT, that is an older model. I think they're up to a 23 now. 1000 lumens, 1500, and 2500. We have some targets out back. There is a light at 14 meters, a larch, which is a tree, at 23 meters. There's a post at 23 meters. There's a box elder tree at 30.5, and then another one at 38 meters. 38 meters is about 124 feet. So let's go take a look. So, to have a little supplemental light here, got a headlight here. So this is the back deck. I've got a stool here, so I've got all my distances pretty well calibrated. I'm going to go ahead and turn the headlight off now. Okay, so first up is the MH20. Okay, so that's just a standard low, medium, high, and that is the highest setting, I believe, at the 1000 lumens. Yep, okay, so low, medium, medium high, and that's the high right there. Then over here, that's the trunk there is the Larch. Then you'll see a target. That target is the post. And let me zoom in a little bit. Oops. Okay, so you can see target there. Then up there you'll see another target. And finally, way back there in the corner, whoops. Okay. That is the third target. Okay, let's zoom back out. So you can see that last target way back in the trees right there. So this is the MH20GT. I'm gonna switch over to the this is the Rofis MR50. Oops, I have to screw in, there we go. Okay, so let's start back over here. This is the light at low, oops, medium, low, medium, that's your high, and then turbo. So pretty much lights up everything. As you'll see, it's very much a flood. Over here, there you go, see the Larch, and you'll see that first target on the post, and just above the weather vane you'll see that second target, and finally over there in the corner you'll see that last third target. Okay, so let's go over to the M2R Warrior. Oops, here we go. Okay, so this is kind of their moonlight mode. Oops. Low, medium, high, turbo. Okay. So back over this way. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high, turbo, and then you can see the high target, and then that little far target right there again. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. So, okay, there you go. Zoom all the way back out. There we go. So, just to kind of give a higher up in the trees look, you can see the very top of the Larch there. So, still on turbo here. And let's, whoopsie, trying to find the switch, there we go. Okay, so, low, medium, that's the high on the M2R, and turbo lights that up. So you can sort of see, you can see the top of this tree, you see the top of that tree, but you're not going to see both. Okay, however, switching over to the MR50, much floodier beam here, so there we go. So you'll see that, or you'll see that. You can't quite get both, although once you go to turbo, you'll see it definitely lights up a larger field. Let's bring it back down. Look at the rest of the yard. Again, if you're trying to see what's way back in that corner there, you can really pick it up here. So this is the turbo. Let's drop it down. That's the high. So this is the high. I'm going to point it away for a second and go to the MR. This is the Nitecore MH20GT. You can see this is probably the smallest beam of all three in terms of having the throw. But as you can see, you can really make out that target. Switching back over, this is on the high, but you can pretty much see everything. It really brings everything out. Anyways, any other questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.